What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Magneto Rechargeable LED solar light. By the end of this video, you will know if you should buy the light or find another one that suits your needs. With that said, let's get started. So around the box we have information about the light. By the way, you don't have to squint your eyes to see all the information. I will leave all the information at the end of this video and also in the description of this video. When we open the box, we are presented with the light in a protective covering. Underneath the light, we have a charging cable and a lanyard to hold the light. Let's put these aside and let's have a look at how long the charging cable is. It's about 60 centimeters, I checked, so it's quite long. The light uses a micro USB charging cable. Now this specific light has another cool way to charge. So instead of plugging it into the wall to charge, you can use the sun because there's a solar panel. Which is cool. It comes with a 2000 mAh battery which gives you 4 hours of light, which is okay I guess, because load shedding is usually about 2 to 4 hours, so you should be fine. On the topic of charging, the light can act as a power bank for your phone, so it can charge your phone, but you will be sacrificing your usage time. The light has two modes. One of the modes is power saver, which gives you the full 4 hours of battery, and the second mode is ultra bright, which gives you about 2 hours of usage time. The light is rated up to 900 lumens, which is bright if I do say so myself. The light has an indicator to tell you if the light is full or is still charging. Next to the battery indicator, there is the power switch and also the lanyard holder. Now the lanyard should fit most wrists and is fairly comfortable. At least when you're walking around with the light, you have that assurance that it will not fall. So my final thoughts on the light before I end off this video. So should you buy it? Well yes, because the light is bright, it can charge your phone, and it has a solar panel. But one thing that I wish was better was the battery life. Maybe a 6-hour battery would reduce battery anxiety. Overall, I rate the light 4 out of 5 stars. Well, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed or learned something about this light. If I missed anything or if you have some questions about this light, comment them down below and I'll definitely get back to you. Also, if you have any constructive criticism, any questions or anything, comment it below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I post another review. For the next few seconds, all the information about this light will be on your screens and the outro will come after that. Thanks for watching.